Hi everyone, so for those who don't know, my name is Bliss. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my platform, welcome to my online space. So today I'm going to be speaking to you guys about my natural nail care. I have natural nails, they grow super long, so I'm here to put you guys onto some game. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 tips for strong natural nails and kind of how my nails grow so fast in a month. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have natural nails. I've had natural nails now for probably, I don't even know, a good few years now. I used to wear acrylics, I used to wear gels, wear polish all the time, and my nails would constantly break, like they'd be so thin. But now, as you can see, they're very, very hard, very thick, nice and healthy, nice and strong, they hardly break. And I'm going to share with you the tips that I personally use that work for me with you guys. So let's get started. So yeah, I'm just going to tell you guys some tips that I personally stand by. These are all my personal opinions and my personal experiences with my natural nails. And I hope you guys find these helpful. Maybe there's something you knew, maybe there's something you didn't. These are just the tips that I personally use and go by. So the first and probably the most important tip is hydration, right? So you need to keep your nails hydrated because they're more susceptible to breaking when they're not hydrated, when they're dry, when they're brittle, when they're dehydrated. They're more likely to crack, just like your skin. When your skin is not hydrated properly, lack of hydration causes dryness, it causes peeling, it causes breaking, it causes all kind of madness. Same with your nails. You need to keep them hydrated. And what I personally like to use for hydration is a cuticle oil. Now this one is from Tropic Skincare. I will leave the link below in the description. And this is an array of oils. It smells so good. It even has, I don't know if you can see, it has little flowers in it. It's amazing. I've used, like, it's nearly finished because I love it. It's a nice thin oil. It's, you know, travel size. You can put this in your bag when you go out. And what you want to do is, let me show you how I put it on. So I will put it on my cuticle, right, and put it all on the nail. And what you want to do is make sure you get the inside of the nail as well. So I'm just going to paint that and then give that a little rub, just let it sink in and you're good to go. And it smells so good, like I said. But you need to make sure you're getting these bits of your nails as well, because we tend to neglect these bits of our nails. So hydration is key, can't say it enough. Make sure you get yourself a good cuticle oil. So along with a cuticle oil, you also want to carry around with you hand cream, hand lotion. So when you're out and about, or you're at someone's house, or you're at an event, you go toilet, you wash your hands, you can rehydrate your hands instantly. Yes, this is like focusing on your natural nails. However, you want to have nice hydrated hands as well. So make sure you carry a hand cream with you. I use Palmer's. I'll just use anything, to be honest. I'm not very specific. If you want one with a nice scent, entirely up to you. Just make sure you have hand cream. And with the cuticle oils, I'm going to leave a list of oils here that are hydrating oils that will be good for you to look for in a cuticle oil. And that's the first tip. So tip number 2, allow your nails to break, okay? So what I mean by that is allow your nails to build up their own strength. Don't try and paint them or use nail hardeners or use nail strengtheners in order to keep your nails strong, because your nails will rely on that to stay strong, if that makes sense. This is my theory anyways, and this is, you know, hello, I'm the one with the long nails, so I must know what I'm talking about, okay? So let your nails breathe. Have them completely bare. No clear polish, no nail strengtheners, nothing. Just bare nails. They're gonna break, they're gonna chip, but as they continue to break and continue to chip, they'll build up the strength. It's just like, for example, exercise, looking at muscles. You have to really exert the muscle and use the muscle, tear the muscle, and then it repairs itself so that it builds up its own strength. Same with boobs. If you're constantly wearing a bra all the time, your boobs cannot form its natural elasticity. So therefore, they tend to sag more the more you wear bras, because it prevents its natural order of strengthening, if that makes sense. So yeah, allow your nails to break. They're gonna break. They're natural nails. But the aim is to build them up so they break less. Because honey, my nails still break now. This one, in fact, broke recently. but it's good. I mean, I've been growing these for over a month, and I've only had one break, and it wasn't really a break, it was just a little slit, and I just thought I need to get it off. Tip number 3, allow them to breathe. Don't paint them all the time, don't polish them all the time. It's gonna prevent them from, like I said before, strengthening naturally. You need to let your nails breathe. They need oxygen. They need contact with the fresh air. They need contact with water. They need contact with all of these things, and nail polishes create a barrier that prevents your nails coming into contact with these things. So allow them to breathe, please. You can of course use polishes, but use them sparingly. I hardly have nail polish on my nails. Obviously I like my nails painted, so I do still paint them. I don't paint them all the time. Even if when I paint them, I probably keep it on for about a week max and then take it off. I'm just paranoid. I'm like, oh my god, my nails are gonna get weak. And also there's staining, and there's just so many chemicals that are in the nail polishes. So I try to stay away from paint as much as I can, but however, I like my nails to look nice. In fact, after this video, I'm gonna paint them. I haven't had them painted maybe in like 3 weeks or something, 4 weeks. So yeah, I try to stretch it out as much as I can. Tip number 4, clean your nails, okay? You need to make sure your nails are clean. And the way in which I clean my nails personally is, yes, having baths, yes, washing your hands, yes, having showers. However, you need to actually set aside your hand and your nails own routine for cleaning. So you need to get a nail brush, or you can even use a toothbrush, honey. You can use any type of brush, and you need to scrub in your nails and the outside of your nails. And that should prevent any sort of dirt building up inside your nails, because no one likes to see dirty nails. I'm sorry, we don't want to see it. Ugh. So make sure they're clean. Use a hand wash, whatever, use your body wash, whatever you want to use, just make sure your hands are clean. And this is something that you need to be doing daily. If your nails get really dirty every day, use a nail brush. But usually your nails should automatically clean when you wash your hands. It shouldn't really be like a fight to get dirt out. Then you may need to start incorporating a brush more. And again, don't be alarmed. Like at first, if you're someone that has dirty nails, oh, and can I just say, do not pick at your nails. Do not use your key. Do not use a pin. Do not use a safety clip. Do not use an earring back. Do not use anything to penetrate this part of your nail and your skin. Do not put stuff in your nails and dig out dirt. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Soak your hands if they are that dirty, and use a nail brush. And what I would say is that in the beginning, it may not seem like the nail brush gets out everything, but I'm telling you, after a while, it will come out. So even if you have to go on with your dirty nails for a couple days, stop digging them. Because when you dig them, it creates like a little crevice, and more dirt just goes inside, and you have to keep picking them. No, just don't do it. Just invest in a nail brush or use a toothbrush and scrub them daily. Soak them, please. No digging the nails. Last but not least, tip number 5 is give yourself regular manicures. So a mini manicure every 2 weeks. What you want to do is you want to soak your nails, you want to clean them, you want to exfoliate your hands, you want to push down your cuticles, file your nails. I personally don't buff mine. If I do, I use just the shine of the buff, because I don't believe in like really harshly. I just don't do that. Yes, give yourself a mini manicure, cream your hands, lotion your hands, just love on your hands and your nails every 2 weeks. Keep them in nice shape. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I find I'm able to sustain my nails a lot more when I'm regularly keeping up my routine and cutting my cuticles, pushing down your cuticles, because when you push down your cuticles, it also helps with lengthening your nails. So it gives the illusion that you have longer nails because you have longer nail beds, and you get rid of dead skin, and just your hands just overall look nicer. So yeah, those are my 5 tips. I hope these helped you guys. Be patient with your nails. They have to rebuild themselves. They have to get back strong. I'm also vegan, so that definitely helps. I personally don't take any vitamins or supplements. I know a lot of people do. I personally don't. I don't struggle with like hair growth, skin repair, nail repair. When I scar myself, my skin grows back pretty quickly. My hair grows pretty quickly. So I don't really have difficulties in that area. but I know biotin, a lot of people can swear by that. There's a whole bunch of hair and nail supplements out there, so if you do want to invest in one, you feel like you need that extra help, definitely do your research into that, because yeah, I personally don't recommend, I don't feel like you need them. Stay hydrated, hydrate from the inside, you know, drink your water, mind your business. So yeah, I hope you found these tips helpful. Give them a try, be consistent, be patient, okay? So yeah, I hope these help you on your natural nail journey. Let me know if you found these tips helpful, if they worked for you, if you managed to grow some little nail, you know what I'm saying? Give your nails a rest, like take some time with your nails. Take off the acrylics, take off the gels, and just allow your nails to breathe. Allow them to actually breathe and to actually be outside and, you know, become little warriors. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let's give you some nail ASMR. Oh, where's my other phone? I like the texting noise. Laptop.